Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download stickers on Viber. So let's get started. As you can see under the photo, name, and phone number, the first option we have here is Sticker Market. So we're gonna go ahead and click on that. So as you can see all the top stickers here, but you have an option to see all the free stickers, all the new stickers, and all the stickers collection. You can also search if you want some particular sticker, for example, Christmas, Thanksgiving, summer, Happy New Year's Eve, something like that. So keep in mind you have free stickers, but you also have stickers that you can pay for. For example, say Cheers, you have to pay $1.99 in order to download that sticker. But if you find a sticker that you like that's free, or even if you're willing to pay for it to download, you can just click on, for example, this Fun with Lenses. You're going to click on that. Free download, and it's downloaded. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful videos. Bye!